दोस्तों नमस्कार। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप अपने एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी बहुत ही डेडिकेशन से कर रहे होंगे। और न्यूज़पेपर का एक पैसेज है, बहुत ही शानदार पैसेज है। और मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप इसको लिखें। जो भी स्टूडेंट एचएसएससी की तैयारी कर रहा है या फिर दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट के एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहा है, ये पैसेज उसको लिखना चाहिए। सो बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन। स्पीड जो रहेगी वो मैं 2 बार इसको डिक्टेट करने वाला हूँ। और एक बार स्पीड रहेगी रहेगी लगभग 100। फिर कोई आपको वर्ड अगर कोई डाउट लगता है तो आप उसको नोट डाउन करके उसको दोबारा स्पीड पे लिख सकते हैं। सो बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन। स्टार्ट। In the Punjab and Haryana High Court monitored case of the reallotment of a resumed plot for an educational institution in Gurugram, the Anti-Corruption Bureau Haryana has sought prosecution sanction against a 1995 batch IAS officer. The sanction has to be granted by the office of the Haryana Chief Secretary. According to information, the case pertains to the reallotment of a 1.5-acre resumed school site in Gurugram at original rates when Suresh was Chief Administrator Haryana Shahri Vikas Parishad. Sources said the Anti Corruption Bureau, based on investigation of private persons, had sought the permission to proceed against Suresh from the Chief Secretary. Meanwhile, an interim order passed by the High Court in the matter in April this year states that there seemed a cartel involving those in high bureaucratic positions with regard to this particular allotment, and states that the issue requires to be examined by this court to ensure that the proceedings are not given a cold burial. According to the interim order, a school was issued provisional allotment letter for a 1.5-acre site in Gurugram. This allotment was revoked by the estate officer Gurugram in September 2013 after the allotee failed to fulfill the terms and conditions of the allotment as per rules. The appeal and revision by the allotee were dismissed in 2004 and 2008 respectively. A separate application by the Haryana Shahri Vikas Parishad was disposed of in 2012, directing the CS to undertake an inquiry. The CS decided in favor of the school in August 2015 and directed the estate officer to allot 1 acre land instead of 1.5 acres and claim 9% simple interest on all outstanding dues from January 1994 when the provisional allotment letter was first issued. The site was restored at the rates of 1994 in 2015. Para. The order observed that as a result of this allotment, the Haryana Shahri Vikas Parishad suffered a loss of rupees 25 crore, but the legal cell did not pursue the matter. Later, the allotee sought a site measuring 1.5 acres and filed a petition in court, which, while disposing it of, issued directions that the matter be decided in 3 months. The Revisional Authority dismissed the claim in 2018. However, in May 2019, the Chief Administrator HSVP passed a fresh order allotting 1.5 acres in favor of the school despite the government declining the same and the High Court upholding it. The order mentions that the Anti Corruption Bureau noticed numerous discrepancies and found that the signatures of the original allotee were forged. In a status report, the Anti Corruption Bureau highlighted that the allotment was made to persons who were not even original LOTs, and a private person arrested in another case named the IAS officer for favoring the school in lieu of gratification. I had passed a quasi judicial order on the directions of the High Court and passed it as per my wisdom. My order is sub judice in the High Court. When an order is not yet implemented, besides also being appealable, how can there be loss to the government on account of my orders, as is being made up by the Anti Corruption Bureau? Suresh said. The ongoing controversy over the alleged harassment of senior IAS officer Suresh and his family by the Anti Corruption Bureau has intensified, as Suresh has now sought police protection for his family. In a letter to the state DGP and police commissioner Gurugram, Suresh has accused the Bureau of life threatening behavior and sought police deployment at his Gurugram residence and his wife's office in Sector 44 on account of my vehement opposition to their illegal and criminal activities. I fear for the safety of my family. The Bureau is behaving like goons and resorting to extortion, kidnapping, trespassing, torture, forgery, bribery, etc. I seek protection for my family and residence and my wife's office, the letter read. While no official statement has been issued by the Anti Corruption Bureau, a senior officer said they were conducting an inquiry legally and following procedure. Few days ago, Suresh's wife Kanthi D. Suresh, editor in chief of a sports media organization, had approached the chief secretary and the DGP seeking an FIR against the Anti Corruption Bureau for allegedly targeting and harassing her. In a complaint also marked to the Gurugram Commissioner and Deputy Commissioner, she accused Bureau officials of conducting illegal raids on her office premises and that of the shareholders, and also abducting her staff and forcing them to make false disclosures. The Bureau is currently probing Suresh for alleged revenue loss to the HSVP by reallocation of a resumed school site. Following an inquiry, the Bureau recommended action against him and other accused, alleging that the school site was re-allotted to the society in 2019 at the rates of 1993, which caused the department a loss of almost 1000%. The inquiry highlighted this was done on speaking orders of Suresh. डिक्टेशन लेंथी होगी थोड़ा, चलिए अच्छी डिक्टेशन है। ऐसे ऐसे पैसेज बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, अगर आप इसको समझेंगे, इसको लिखेंगे और अच्छे से इस तरह के पैसेजेस की तैयारी करेंगे तो आपको डेफिनेटली बहुत ज़्यादा इसका बेनिफिट मिलने वाला है। और हो सकता है कोई डिक्टेशन बोलते टाइम कोई साउंड कहीं पीछे से अगर आपको आ रही हो, कोई एसी की या फिर थोड़ा सा कहीं बाहर से, तो माइंड को बैलेंस बना के रखना, ये भी एक बहुत बड़ी पावर है कि आप अपने आप को लिखते टाइम अगर कोई नॉइस होगी या कहीं से कोई साउंड आ गई तब भी आपका माइंड स्टेबल रहता है, लिखने में आपकी कंसंट्रेशन अच्छी रहती है, तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। तो आप इसको लिखिएगा। मैं एक और वीडियो डालता हूँ, उसमें और भी स्पीड पे इसको बोल के डालता हूँ, सीधा उसमें डिक्टेशन ही होगी। थैंक यू।